India Council for Robotics and Automation organized the first Global Artificial Intelligence Summit and Awards in association with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India in New Delhi. The event was held with the aim to understand the role of artificial intelligence in the growth of various sectors in India. It was attended by AI experts of different fields like health, education and robotics. The summit awarded companies for their outstanding work in developing artificial intelligence technologies. Science Monitor brings you this report.
Hey Siri, open Google.
Have you ever switched on your phone's voice command and asked it to play a song or look for nearby restaurants? If yes, then you are using a technique called artificial intelligence or AI. It is a technique which helps computers, robots or software to think the way humans do. Artificial intelligence is mainly involved in cognitive processes like perceiving, learning, problem solving, data collection and analytics. This technique uses algorithms to recognize the information and finally perform a particular task. AI is gradually gaining waves in multiple domains today. For example, home appliances, laptops, mobile phones, and healthcare sector. To understand its concept and applications in a better way, on 18 January, the first Global Artificial Intelligence Summit was organized in New Delhi by the All Indian Council for Robotics and Automation with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. The main objective of the summit was to understand the real-world scenarios on how AI can be used in different sectors to enhance growth and development. Niti Aayog has taken a major initiative in this field by developing National Strategy for Artificial Intelligence. It will study AI perspectives and challenges in India.
I think this summit is very timely, where it brings in people from very diverse backgrounds to share their concerns, their opinions, their views, and primarily the areas in which they feel AI can make a difference, can make a mark, and how it is going to do it, what are going to be the consequences.
Data leaders, AI scientists, stakeholders, industry experts and startups working in the domain of artificial intelligence attended the first-of-a-kind event in India. The summit also marked the launch of AICRA Future Tech magazine. It covers news and developments from the world of technology and innovations in multiple sectors. It also brings to you the latest updates of the tech industry like gadgets and machines. The summit also organized various panel discussions and sessions on the role of AI to transform the lives of people. One such session was how AI will transform the education system. In this, the experts discussed various changes the present education system needs to adopt for better teaching facilities with respect to AI. Other top discussions of the summit were based on the concepts of AI in businesses, its role in the revolution of retail, finance, auto and real estate sector.
The first volume which they have launched for the future tech, and I have observed a tagline which says technology should be unifiers and not dividers. So that is where I see that the technology AI should be the bridging the gap of rural and urban divide.
The event also presented awards for various developments in the field of artificial intelligence. The Global Summit provided a platform for experts from different realms of robotics and artificial intelligence to address the demand of advanced future technologies and its challenges. AI is a growing modern branch of science, and India is gradually adapting into it. Therefore, this summit was a major boost to foster knowledge about artificial intelligence by sharing concepts and articulating ideas governing country needs.